If you're waiting for the release of the Samsung Galaxy Note 21, don't hold your breath. Rumors about Samsung plans to ditch the S Pen equipped device have been heating up, and now a new leak substantiates those claims. Prolific tech leaker Evan Blass tweeted some news that will devastate Galaxy Note 21 hopefuls. The Note 20 successor is not on Samsung's radar this year. Instead, Samsung is reportedly focusing its efforts on the Fan Edition FE line. The Samsung Galaxy Note 21 may be signing off for good. On Wednesday, Blass leaked Samsung's 2021 roadmap. And unfortunately for Note fans, the Galaxy Note 21 is notably missing. Can this be the end of Galaxy Note series? What do you guys think of this? Let us know in the comment section below. And guys, tell us from which country are you guys watching our today's video from? We really enjoy reading your comments. Anyway, let's get back to the topic. Blass's tweet compares this year's roadmap with last year's releases. Samsung's 2020 flagship lineup consisted of the Galaxy 20 family, the S20 FE, and the Note 20. This year's roadmap shows the Galaxy 21 series, the S20 FE, and the S21 FE. The S21 FE seemingly replaces the Note 21. It's also odd that the S20 FE reappears on this year's roadmap. It may be a typo or an error, but according to Tech Radar, this may allude to Samsung's plan to re-release the phone with a slashed price tag. Blass's leaked Samsung roadmap reaffirms rumors that have been swirling about the Note series cancellation since last year. Samsung made us take those rumors seriously when it released the Galaxy S20 line with S Pen support, stripping away the Note series' uniqueness of being Samsung's sole stylus-toting darling. Rumors about the Galaxy Note series getting the axe took off in November when Max Weinbach, a popular tech leaker, unveiled Samsung's launch plans for this year. And similar to Bias's tweet, the Note 21 was nowhere to be found. All devices poised for release in 2021, the S21 family, the S21 FE, the Z Fold 3, the Z Flip 3, and the Z Fold FE will reportedly have S Pen support. All the S Pen fans do hit the like button. As they say, where there's smoke, there's fire. All this chatter about the end of the Note series may indeed be true, but we won't know for sure until Samsung makes an official announcement. Samsung next generation releases will be revealed during its Unpacked event, which is reportedly scheduled for August. So guys, this was the end of this video. I hope you liked our today's video. If you really did, then smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our gadgets-friendly channel, Gadgets Times.